Cleaning the toilet again? We invented technology that cleans the floor, cleans windows, trims the lawn, washes dishes, and cleans the laundry. But only for the assignment we hate the most, there's no solution. Until now. Introducing SpinX. SpinX operates on low power consumption. Every 30 sessions, charge the battery and add your favorite soap. A revolutionary toilet cleaning robot that cleans your toilet bowl and seat automatically in just 90 seconds. SpinX was designed to make your toilet cleaning experience more efficient. At the touch of a button, it makes your toilet clean and shiny. A smart sensor scans your toilet shape, and a smart robotic arm goes out of a hidden cell and gets to every spot in the bowl. Equipped with a jet of water and soap, the brush rapidly rotates even underwater. Dirt and bacteria don't have a chance. You won't need to take care of anything. The brush cleans and dries itself, killing up to 99.99% bacteria. Even the seat gets cleaned. Soap and water jets are washing the seat thoroughly, followed by a compressed air drying it perfectly. And when it's all done, SpinX returns back to its elegant and luxurious look.